We got some EV news. Stands for electric vehicle, Will. You got that little Cybertruck on your desk right there. Did you want to do a correction, by the way? Quick correction.
Yeah, apologies. I said Mantis before. His actual name is John Manta.
Who's his? Who are we talking about here, Will?
The guy who created this
that
awesome
guy. All right.
Cybertruck.
Shout out to John Manta, not Mantis.
Shout out.
Will was having fun
really
with the naming and whatnot, and he was watching videos on the Prey Mantis.
Yeah.
Prior,
things got
as you
messed
would.
up,
I mean, it's hard to
cross
find
wires, you
good
know.
content out there. 2020,
Oh, yeah.
so you would probably watch Prey Mantis content, and then you had Mantis in your mind, and he's Manta, and so you just
Yeah.
Anyway, you got the Cybertruck on your desk. Cybertruck's getting all the love, all the waves. In fact, our last story, we're going to talk about waves, more specifically vibes. Probably courtesy of the Cybertruck. But nonetheless, it's getting all the attention. And you know who's about to make a comeback and steal some of that thunder? Hummer. Where did they go? Hummer's going to come back, Will.
That's
Hummer.
great.
Owned by GM, the big. And it was not that long ago that company kind of fell off a cliff. People were mad. It was environmental.
Yeah.
It was vandalizing Hummers. It was Toyota Prius. It was jerk.
Why are you driving on 2 lanes?
Jerk.
Parking on 2 lanes.
I hate you.
Yeah.
Environment.
Don't do that.
You know, the usual stuff.
Yeah.
Big cars, big trucks, federal tax, gas tax, state of California. GM's like, we're out. It's a headache, this whole Hummer thing. And people stop buying them.
Are they still in the army though?
That was a different Hummer. That was the Hummer 1, the real military Hummer.
Yeah.
This was the Hummer,
The civilian.
the regular person, Costco shopper Hummer. It was the Costco shopper. You get the trim
Billion
levels.
groceries.
They have the trim levels.
Yeah.
You have
Whether it's bulletproof or not.
supermarket, Walmart, Costco, different trim levels
Oh, okay.
for how much you need to fit in
Yeah.
there. Anyway, because of electric power, now who cares? You can't even hate the person in a giant vehicle because it's electricity. It's not dinosaur juice.
We can potentially see Greta driving that.
You think Greta's gonna be in the Hummer? No chance, dude.
Oh, come on.
Who?
What,
Will?
dinosaurs?
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
what,
because
me? What?
Greta's on a sailboat, man, and then she's on the bike.
But
Because
this is EV.
I know, but she's on a sailboat and the bike. It's tight streets, Europe. Come on, man, she can't be in this Hummer. There's no Costco.
We still don't know how this looks like. What if
No, it's gonna be
like,
huge. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be a
mini
Cybertruck competitor for sure. Anyway, look. Point being,
Well.
this is gonna come out. Well, not come out, but it's gonna be unveiled. At least there's gonna be commercials that take place during the Super Bowl, and they got LeBron James. They're making a real push. GM going back to the old school marketing roots. Presence at the Super Bowl, and this time with a new product. They saw all the press that the Cybertruck got. They said, we got our own Cybertruck. It's called the Hummer. Ever heard of it? And of course, everyone has. It's got this name that's synonymous with sort of a rough and tumble type of vehicle, a military origin name. And of course, in America, you would like something like that. Then you attach it to a superstar, a sports superstar, and what do you get, Will? You get fireworks. You earn a few dollars is what you do. So they put out this kind of preview of the upcoming commercial series. And of course, we're going to see that during Super Bowl. And it's called Quiet Revolution. And the commercial bounces back and forth. The preview, the trailer, this one here, bounces back and forth from sound to no sound. Because, of course, it's zero emissions. It's no sound. It's a silent operation, but it's power. And so in these buzz clips, they said it's going to have 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. And they also stated over 1,000 pound-feet of torque, which is what the truck guys like torque.
Yes, they do.
And it's the one question a lot of people have with the Cybertruck. What about when I'm pulling and hauling? What happens to my EV when I'm pulling and hauling? It's valid.
The torque.
Well, you need the torque is great to get you up and going, but then it's also how much EV range am I going to lose when I'm hauling all this extra weight? And how do I calculate that? Gasoline is well established. It's all kinds of special stuff that goes on. You have modes in the vehicle for when you're towing. That's the torque one, yeah. So
there's a lot of
there's sound. 11,500 pound-feet of torque is what they're stating. So they're coming for Elon, and great. Competition, wonderful, beautiful. Will it look like the Cybertruck? Probably not exactly, but they're showing us the grill right now, and it's looking very futuristic. So hopefully, I'm hoping it's got a decent look to it. All of a sudden, we got these cyberpunk Keanu Reeves things on the roads sooner than later. And I mean, sci-fi. Cool.